April 13, 2029 is a date that could change everything. A massive asteroid named Apophis, officially known as 99942 Apophis, has been making headlines, and scientists are closely monitoring its path. Will this giant rock from space collide with Earth? Let's explore the facts and the fears. First, let's look at what Apophis is. Discovered in 2004, this asteroid measures about 1,100 feet across or 335 meters, roughly the length of 3 football fields. Asteroids like Apophis are classified based on their orbits and potential threat to Earth. In 2004, initial calculations suggested a 2.7% chance of collision on that fateful April day in 2029. Those odds may sound low, but for something that could unleash energy equivalent to hundreds of atomic bombs, any chance is a cause for concern. However, as astronomers gathered more data and refined their calculations, the odds changed dramatically. By 2021, the probability of Apophis hitting Earth had decreased to nearly zero. But here's where it gets interesting. Its close approach will still be one of the closest encounters we have ever recorded. On April 13, 2029, Apophis will come within about 19,000 miles or 30,577 kilometers of Earth, closer than many satellites orbiting our planet. This proximity will give scientists a unique opportunity to study the asteroid up close and understand more about its composition and structure. But what if things went wrong? What if future calculations reveal a potential impact? Scientists are already developing asteroid deflection strategies. Techniques like the kinetic impactor, essentially hitting the asteroid with a spacecraft to change its trajectory, are being tested and studied. Organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency are preparing for scenarios where we might need to redirect a threatening asteroid. The key is early detection and action. Fortunately, we have the technology and knowledge to potentially avert disaster. Thanks to advancement in technology and international collaboration, the chances of detecting and tracking such near-Earth objects have significantly improved. Scientists are continually scanning the skies for new threats and monitoring known objects like Apophis. As we approach April 2029, expect a flurry of media coverage and public interest. It's crucial to understand the science behind these celestial events rather than surrender to fear or misinformation. Apophis might not pose a threat, but it serves as a wake-up call and the importance of planetary defense. So, will Apophis hit Earth on April 13, 2029? The answer based on current data is no, but it's a reminder of our responsibility to protect our planet and prepare for the unknown. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more cosmic updates.